Hi friend, my name is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee and as you all know I'm a booktuber and I'm making video on this book. The name of this book is The Power of Your Subconscious Mind. And friends, as I always say, this book is this long and I cannot make this full book in one video. So what I'm doing is that I'm making each and every topic on each and every video so you can understand it in a better way. And friends, what I'm doing is that I'm giving number to each and every video. So if you come sequence wise 1, 2, 3, 4, you will understand it in a better way. Apart from seeing 18 video, 20 video, 43 video, there is quite possibility that you get confused friends, okay? And friends, if you have any doubt, you can directly ask me in the comment section because I do see the comments and I give answer to each and every comments, friends. Okay. And friends, you can also follow me on Instagram. My Instagram handle is Abhimanyu Bhattacharjee 1906. So we'll spell it for you, friends. Okay. It's ABHIMANYU BHATTACHARJE 1906. And friends, before proceeding further, I would like to tell you do subscribe my channel, like the video, press the bell icon. So whenever I update a new video, you'll get the notification, friends. Okay. So friends, in our last video, I've covered the topic called the affirmative method. This topic I've covered, friends, okay? And friends, in our today's video, I'm going to cover the topic called the argumentative method. This topic, friends, okay? And friends, this is 67 number video and the name of the topic is the argumentative method. So let us see what the author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, friends, okay? This method is just what the word implies. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling this is the method as same as the word is implied. It seems from the procedure of Dr. Finis Fakruit's Quim of Maine. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling it seems from the procedure of the Dr. Finis Frakurist Quim of Maine, friends. Okay. Dr. Quim, a pioneer in mental and spiritual healing. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling Dr. Quim was a pioneer in the mental and also he was pioneer in the spiritual healing. Lived and practiced in Belfast. So, he was a person who used to live and practiced his in Belfast. Maine about 100 years ago. So, Maine was a book which was published about 100 years ago, friends. Okay. So, this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. A book called the Quimby manuscript published in 1921. So there was a book called the Quimby manuscript which was published in 1921, friends. Okay, by Thomas Y. Crowell Company in New York City. So this book was published by Thomas Crowell Company in the New York City, friends. Okay, and edited by Horatilo Dessler is available in your diary library. So this book was edited by Horatio Dessler and which is available in the library, friends. Okay. This book gives newspaper account of the man's remarkable results in the prayer treatment of the sick. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that this book gives us the new this book gives us the newspaper of the account of the man remarkable result in the prayer treatment of the sick, friends. Okay, so those who are sick and if we prayer then how that person can get perfect, this book gives us that inner depth knowledge, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Quimble duplicated many of the healing miracles recorded in the Bible. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that Quimble duplicated many of the healing miracle which is recorded in the Bible, friends. Okay. In brief, the argumentative method employed according to Quimble consists of spiritual reasoning. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that in brief, the argumentative method is employed according to the Quim consists of the spiritual reasoning, friends. Okay, where you conceive the patient and yourself that his sickness is due to his false belief. So here in this technique we convince the patient that his sickness is due to his false belief. Means, for example, a person is sick, so we will tell that you are sick because you are thinking you're sick, you are actually not sick, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Groundless fears and negative pattern lodged in his subconscious mind. So we say to that patient that you are feeling sick because you are not sick, but the negative patterns, the false belief which has been grounded in your subconscious mind, due to which you are feeling sick, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You reason it out clearly in your mind and convince your patient that the disease or ailment is due to a orted. So here author Joseph Murphy is telling that you disease it out and convince the patient that this whatever sickness you are feeling, it is because of your negative belief system. You are not sick, but you are feeling you're sick, so you're sick, friends. Okay, twisted pattern of thought which has taken from his body. So this is basically a twisted pattern of the thought which is taken out from the body, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. This wrong belief in some external power and external cause has now externalized itself as sickness. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling this wrong belief has now externalized the person into a deep sickness, but he is not sick. So, these things we need to convince the patient and can be changed by changing the thought pattern. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling these things can be changed by just changing the thought pattern, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You explain to sick person that the basis of all healing is a change of belief. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we explain to the sick person that the basis of all healing is a change of belief, friends. Okay. You also point out that the subconscious mind created the body and all its organ. So also we can point it out, the subconscious mind created the body and all its organ, friends. Okay, therefore it knows how to heal it. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that therefore it knows how to can heal it, and is doing so now as you speak. So it is completely healing us, and therefore we are able to speak at this point of time in our life, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. You argue in the courtroom of your mind that the disease is a shadow of the mind based on disease soaked morbid thought imaginary. So, the author Joseph Murphy is telling that we argue in the courtroom that our disease is just because of the negative pattern which is being created in our mind, but actually we are not sick, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You continue to build up all the evidence you can muster on behalf of the healing power within. So, your author Joseph Murphy is telling that we continue to build up all the evidence which we muster on the healing power within ourselves, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic, which created all the organ in the first place and which has a perfect pattern of every cell, nerve and tissue within it. So we need to tell that our subconscious mind created the all organ and which have a perfect image of the each and every nerve, cell, atom and tissue image in our subconscious mind in our body, friends. Okay, so this also Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. Then you render a verdict in the courtroom of your mind in favor of yourself or your patient. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling that then we render in our mind, in the courtroom of our mind and yourself and also our patient, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us in this topic. You liberate the sick one by the faith and the spiritual understanding. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling we liberate the sick one by the faith and the spiritual understanding. Your mental and spiritual evidence is overwhelming. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling our mental and spiritual health is completely overwhelming. They are being one mind. What you feel as true will be restructured in the experience of the patient. So your author Joseph Murphy is telling they are in the one mind as we feel the reconstructed and the experiment in our patient, friends. Okay, this procedure is essentially the argumentative method used by Dr. Quim or Main from 1849 to 1869. So this is the argumentative method which is especially used by Dr. Quim from the year 1849 to 1869, friends. Okay, so this author Joseph Murphy is telling to us on this topic. So friends, in our today's topic I have covered the concept called the argumentative method. Okay, and friends, in our next topic I am going to cover the concept called the absolute method is like modern sound wave therapy. This topic, friends. Okay, so friends, this topic came to an end and I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, goodbye, take care, friends. Okay.